Hello and welcome to the latest video with Money to the Masses. I'm going to be asking Damien lots of questions about different investment terms to help you who, if you currently invest, understand the terms in a bit more detail, or if you are thinking about beginning investing, have a better and clearer understanding of what all of these terms mean. So you often see there's lots of stocks and shares, ISAs available for you to invest your money, but what actually is a stock and what is a share?
Right, so it's a word that's used interchangeably. So when you hear that, all you really need to worry about it's a piece of a company that you buy. So if you want to buy a share of a company, so let's just say it's Facebook, we all know who Facebook is. If you get a share in that, you get a part ownership, a tiny, tiny bit of Facebook, and therefore you enjoy the benefits of any profits they make. So if you own a part of a company, one share, it's a very, very tiny part of that company, you have certain rights, and as a shareholder, if they decide to pay out something called a dividend, which is a bit of money, they might pay out some of their profits, then every shareholder gets a designated part of that agreed amount of money paid out. So that would be a reason why you would own a share, because therefore you can enjoy some of the benefits of Facebook, not just you using it as an entity, but some of the profits that they make. So that is what a share of a company is, and the reason they exist is because a company may want to try and raise money. So what they do is they give away part ownership of that company and basically chop it up in little bits, and therefore be able to raise money by giving people a share, a stake in a company. So that's what a share is. You can obviously have them in stocks and shares, ISAs, but it then leads on to the next idea. Do you have to just buy shares directly? And the answer is no, because obviously it's a very high risk strategy. If you put all your money in Facebook shares, then if something happened to Facebook, then your wealth would be impacted positively and negatively. So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. And that's where the idea of a fund comes in.